Alrighty, tubers. Working on the 6.5 horsepower. Guy said he pulled the bowl off it. He's worked on it a bit. Can't figure out, why it's not starting and running. Well, in this bottle, let me see if I can show it to you here. You can see that. Okay, there's the top of the gas right there. That line that's swooshing around in there is water. Yeah. Pretty crazy. Isn't that pretty crazy, babe? Mm-hmm. My honey. So yeah, I've got it all fixed now. I'm going to pull it over to the grass and show you it start up. Alright, hopefully we have enough light here. Oop. Speaking of light, the flashlight's on in my pocket. Prime it up a few times. Get it started here. Alrighty, so as you can see, it runs really well now. I won't even change the spark plug, it doesn't need it. It's got a brand new spark plug in it, so hopefully you can see this. It's not that dark out here, but the camera's not picking up very much light. I need to get a new camera, YouTube. Hopefully sooner than later. So yeah, hope you have a good one. Hope you enjoyed the video. It really wasn't that long, so hope you enjoyed it. See you later, YouTubers.